Hello. In this video, we will cover how to add and move courses, select and lock courses, and update semester units. Here, you will see all available semesters to plan your degree. In each semester, you will either have requirements pre-suggested for you or have empty terms like summer. To add a course, click on the semester you want to update. At the bottom of the semester, you will see Add an elective course. Click that button and a new window will open. In the new window, you can search for any course to add based on the available filters. If you want to get even more specific in your selection, click More Filters to see additional options. Once you have your filters selected, click Apply to search for your course. Once you have the desired course, click Select to add it to your planner. Once a course is selected, the window will automatically close and you will see the course in the selected semester. If you choose to not have that added course in that semester, you can move it around. Click and hold the requirement line you wish to move. You can now drag and drop that requirement into a new semester. You may also move courses around by clicking the ellipses next to the requirement and select Move. This will open a new window for you to choose which semester to move the requirement. Be careful when moving courses around, as you do not want to put off prerequisite coursework too late. Next, we will go over selecting and locking courses. Open the semester you want to plan. A list of degree requirements for your major will display. Some courses may be pre-selected for you if there is only one course that completes that requirement. For requirements that have multiple course options, a Select Courses button will show. Click Select Courses to display course options. A new window will load displaying all possible courses that may be used to meet that requirement. You may click on the course to view their description. Course details such as number of units, grade basis, and course attribute will display. You will see the enrollment information, which includes typical offerings and enrollment prerequisites. Once you are ready to select the course, click Select next to the desired option. The degree planner will refresh and display the course you chose. Click out of the course selection window to see your updated semester. If you are finished planning that semester, you may lock the course selection by clicking the padlock next to Edit Course. Locking a course means that the degree planner will keep your selections in the term they are locked until completed. If you do not complete those courses or requirements, they will be the first courses displayed in the next semester available. Next, we will go over updating units. In each semester, there is a max units box on the top right corner. This displays how many units you may plan for that semester. If you want to adjust that number, click the max units box. You may highlight the number with your mouse or Ctrl-A on the keyboard to change the number of units with a keypad, or you may use the up and down arrows inside the box. Once you have reached the desired number of units, click the Save button to lock the unit choice. Your degree planner will now refresh and adjust as needed. To change units and mass, click the Mass Edit Max Units button towards the top of the page. This will allow you to change units for multiple semesters at the same time. Click the box next to each term you want to update, or click the box in the header to select all terms. Use the box next to Update Selected to enter the new number of units you want for your chosen semesters. Click Update Selected once you have the desired new max units. Click Save Changes at the bottom of the window to save and refresh your degree planner. For additional tips on using the degree planner, please watch our videos at go.csuci.edu/gradtools and clicking on the Degree Planner tile.